What that?
It's my fault.
Spider.
Okay, we will.
I didn't scare you.
I will.
Okay.
I will hold Stephanie's mouth.
I'm not scaring anyone.
And
No screaming. No screaming. This is what you get. This is what you get. Come on, this way, this way. Over here.
Go away. No.
Stephanie, Mommy Steph's gonna get mad. It's already late. Time to go home.
Oh, you is sweet.
Time to go home.
What time is it?
Come on.
No.
You said this was your choice. This was your choice, Stephanie.
hurry up, Steph, go
What
to your
is
car already.
This means
This one's sweet.
throw me in the
I
grass.
know.
So your hands being registered means nothing to me now.
Notice, I'm not using any physical force, ladies and gentlemen. I'm using a technique called psychological warfare. Psychological warfare. Notice I just took her down without even touching her yet.
You're so low.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, girl. Yeah. Rawr, rawr. I'm gonna get you. I am. You see that grass there? See that grass? You're gonna eat that grass. You're gonna eat that grass. You're gonna eat that grass. Yes, you are. You're gonna eat that grass. Yes, you are. You're gonna eat that grass.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Hey Brian, make it lighter or whiter. Ang ingay mo.
Oh, you're so dead.
Oh, you're dead now, dude.
You better get him. What are you been? Oh,
I'm going home. You're still recording.
Nice wallet.
Champ. The champ, baby. The champ.
go get him. Wait. Oh.
Come get me. Go. I'll do a flip move.
Please.
Get you. I'm not done with you. You see this? I'm not done with you.
You said one.
Get you. See that? See that technique?
Yeah, I saw that.
Psychological technique, guys.
Dude, you're gonna get it.
This is my monkey technique. This is the tiger technique.
It's the same thing. It's the same thing.
No, this is go like this. Roar. 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 See? You see? She went down again.
I'm just trying to get you to the ground.
These are real techniques, ladies and gentlemen. Psychological warfare. This is Brazilian technique.
Gina, man, you're moving too much.
I guess like a monkey.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Gotcha.
I can barely see him, man. What the heck are you doing?
Okay. I just made it. Oh, God, are you done yet?
Man, even the light, he's so dark.
All this energy right now.
This is for the Christ Cafe.
Gotcha.
You're like an ape. You hit and run away.
Oh, you got told, brother.
Oh, I learned this from the movie. What's that movie? The scary movie? The guy dragged his leg like this.
Are you yours?
You're so loud. Gino.
Bye-bye. Okay. I think I hit almost every animal except the spider. Oh wait, I only have 4. But
You
in the
need
dark.
to tackle her one more time as your finale.
Oh, okay. One more time. One more finale.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Okay, no fair tearing clothes off. You were tearing my shirt off last time. No, time out. Time out. Okay, go now. Okay, no grabbing shirts, okay?
That's not fair.
I'll go get you.
No.
My dad's getting mad at me. So I'm gonna get it one more time.
I can't even like keep a hold on him. Gino, you're so loud. You're like the oldest.
Oh, the ape. Guys, this is my pet. Apparently he has overdose of medicine. And I can't get him back in the house. It's like
Do you
puka.
see what we have to deal with?
Yeah. I'm itchy. I quit.
Oh, it's your fault.